Hi, my name is Kelly Wilson. I am with Map Your Healing Journey, Trauma, PTSD, and Grief Recovery, and I am currently raising money for a 2025 Moth-Inspired storytelling event workshop in Paris. That is quite a mouthful. Anyway, one of the questions that I got that I thought was super valuable is, what does Moth-Inspired mean? So I didn't really know, except that every year in December, the Moth Storytellers put on a show downtown Portland, and my husband and I go on a date. And it is inspiring and beautiful and wonderful. And the storytellers come out on stage and they tell these amazing stories. And it's kind of like a TED Talk, but like more artsy. So that's really like the sum total of what I knew about the Moth before I did a little bit more research. Like, I knew enough, but I didn't know enough. So, the Moth is a nonprofit organization that hosts live, true personal storytelling events without notes. And this is important to me because I am very interested in being able to perform both in storytelling and in stand up comedy without notes. And I have not had enough practice or confidence or skill building for that matter to be able to do that. So I think this is going to be great. Another focus of the Moth, besides the storytelling, is to build community with these events that bring together audiences and storytellers. And, considering the power of story to help change people's lives. So there are many ways that the Moth works in communities, and the Google AI breakdown is that they do live story slams. They have a main stage, radio hour, podcast, education program, and Moth Works, where they help businesses through the power of story. This the Paris Moth Inspired Storytelling Workshop is Moth inspired because it's not directly affiliated with the Moth, but the instructors are award-winning champions who have been doing storytelling for several years and are well versed in how it works and can teach others how to do it. So let's see. Some of the skills that I'm going to be learning there, like I mentioned before, confidence, memorization. I want to also kind of settle into or start exploring my own voice, not this voice, but the voice that my storyteller part has, if that makes sense. Refining like pacing, tone, structure, and kind of building suspense and knowing how to do that and making these skills more automatic so that I can just pick it up and tell a story and be amazing. I have 3 reasons for going. So, like I mentioned before, I have really strong writing skills, but not really strong storytelling skills. So, I definitely want to develop those. I want to use those skills to build community, like not just telling stories, but teaching others how to tell their own. And this is really important for both trauma and grief recovery. The power of story is an incredible way for people to experience healing. Not everybody wants to tell their story, and that's fine. There are ways to go through trauma and grief recovery that don't require storytelling at all. But for those who want to tell their stories, like, I can teach them how to do that. Also, to bring the power of my own stories to the world and hopefully change lives for the better. I am raising money for this adventure. I would love for you to partner with me and to go along with me. And it's going to be fun. It's going to be amazing. I am scared to death. People have been donating through GoFundMe and Venmo, and I have the links where the links need to go. If I don't, please message me, because menopause means I've forgotten or something. They got lost in the valley of distraction. Anyway, so if you have any questions, please let me know. I would love to answer them.